So,
I will let you know about what are the more things involved apart from CRISPR and gene therapy, which comes under gene. Like, be with me. I will tell you about various institute and the professors who are leading the technology of India. So gene therapy versus gene therapy versus gene editing. I just told you about that the therapy means that a gene is replaced or either modified. Gene editing in this, as you can see, the gene is edited. What is the future of gene editing? There are many techniques and the application involving in the future that will help you. So now I will take you to the list of the institution in India who are currently performing the gene therapy and leading the gene therapy industry of India. I have shared the list of the institute. I am assuming you guys all are undergraduate and the graduate and even some PhD aspirants who are. So if you are interested in gene therapy and you want to work in some prestigious institute, these are the five institutes in which you can work on gene therapy. So first is Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, IGIB, New Delhi. It is one of the most prestigious institute for gene therapy. Second is NCBS Bangalore, again a very famous institute. CCMB, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, which has the highest grant of gene therapy in India. Then there is AIMS India, obviously. So I will tell you about one general fact that AIMS India is funded by Indian government and that will help in gene therapy. Now the fifth is the most prestigious institute, that is Indian Institute of Science. I hope you guys must know about it. It's in overall 13th on the 13th place in the India. And okay, so I will tell you about the Indian professor leading gene editing research. So these all are the five professor which are currently leading. So these all are from, you can see various different institute which comprises ICER Pune, National Institute of Immunology New Delhi, and again New Delhi. So what you can do if you are interested in gene editing, you can just you can just have them mail. You can just write in a chat box. We will share you the drive link, and you can just apply for internship in the various institute under that professor. For that, what do you need? You need a basic SOP. SOP is a statement of purpose. Apart from SOP, you need a CV and LOR. How can you write an SOP? So basically, if you need any guidance in writing SOP, we will help you out. We have already written SOP and teach the students about it. We have sent over 30 plus students writing SOP in the various prestigious institute which involved ICER and IITs as well. If you need help with writing SOP and managing how to apply for internship, we will help you out in any way possible. We have our experts with us who currently works with us. So yeah, we will definitely help you with that. And now I will tell you about the career opportunities in genetical engineering. So if you want to choose genetic engineering as a career, those who are working in lab, it's really like they're playing Lego with CRISPR, not only just shaping DNA. They're just shaping the future. So from GMO to GMP. So guys, just comment it down. What does GMP means? It is a really widespread field in genetic engineering. Now there is biotechnology, pharma R&D. So pharma R&D, that is research and development. They are like gene editing, like a kid in the candy store discovering some new targets for drug development faster than you can say double helix. So basically, they are just always working on new drugs and making it more viable to consumers. Now there is regulatory affairs. So guys, many of you must not be knowing what is the work of regulatory affairs. बेसिकली एफडीए का अप्रूवल रहना बहुत जरूरी होता है इन कुछ चीजों में. इवन इफ इंस्टीट्यूट डू जीन एडिटिंग, उसके बाद इफ देयर इज नॉट अ प्रोडक्ट जो कि वायबल है कंज्यूमर के लिए, उसके लिए उनको दे नीड अ एफडीए अप्रूवल फॉर दैट. सो इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी. एंड एफडीए अगर अप्रूव नहीं करेगा, इट्स एट होम पॉलिसीज अगर पूरी, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ अ कंपनी इज अ जीन एडिटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी, उन्होंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट बनाया, अगर उसको पूरे ने उनने पूरी पॉलिसीज को भी फॉलो करा होगा इन इफ इन द एंड एफडीए डिसअप्रूव, देन दे कांट रिलीज देयर प्रोडक्ट इन द environment. So guys, this is very necessary. There are like regulatory affairs are the basic strict teacher who will ensure that no students leave the exam before the time. So yeah, this is a well recognized job and a great career opportunity if you wanna land in. So these are some, I will tell you about regulatory landscape and policies. So you must be thinking, who governs the policy? For example, India has their own policy, US have their own policy. WHO and UNESCO are the universal landscape who just govern this policies. Then there are national regulation involved in policies. जैसे कि कॉस्टुप में बताया था कि दो लोगों ने मिसयूज करा था, तो दैट वाज एग्जांपल ऑफ ओनली दीज टू पीपल. उसके अलावा ही बहुत लोग करते हैं. तो इट दे कैन डू इट बिकॉज इट्स वेरी हाईली रिस्की फॉर द कंज्यूमर एज वेल. तो ये इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई इट इज गवर्न्ड बाय द WHO एंड यूनेस्को. So it is very important. Now, what is the future of gene editing? So, guys, if you are in your undergrad and masters, you must be thinking of doing PhD in future. This can be a very good topic if you want to pursue that. It's gene editing. It will increase by 10x by 16 in 16 years. So, what do you mean by it? As the gene editing technologies are increasing, obviously, if a technology comes, the cost of reduction will be less. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर किसी के पास पहले कंप्यूटर नहीं था, उसके लिए उसको काम बहुत ज्यादा करना पड़ता था. आफ्टर देयर इज कंप्यूटर, रिडक्शन हो जाता है काम का. सेम विद द टेक्नोलॉजी एज वेल. व्हेन द टेक्नोलॉजीज विल इंक्रीज, द रिडक्शन ऑफ द कॉस्ट विल डिक्रीज. सो 10x fold increase होगा जीन एडिटिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज में. 50% रिडक्शन कॉस्ट. सो दीज आर द बेसिक things in 16 years that will happen. So guys, this was a session on gene editing. If you have any doubt regarding CRISPR and gene therapy, you can just let us know in comment section. This was a basic idea of gene therapy. And